To start up, you need an ecosystem, and inside you need an ecosystem. So your inner ecosystem need to be attended, and that we can do by simple breathing exercises. Breathing exercise, because see, it's the breath that is the key for our living. No breath, no life. But we seldom attend to our breath. We don't care for it. It's like running an engine without oil and gas. I know. So we need to refill ourselves and re-energize our system, body, mind and spirit, for which meditation is very useful. And today, through technology, through science, they've experimented and they have come to the conclusion that even 2 months of meditation, 20 minutes morning and evening, can change the structure of the brain. And it increases the gray matter in our brain, and which results into more intelligence, more awareness, more intuitive ability. You know, intuition is something which is very important. It's part of the creative ecosystem. Intuition, enthusiasm, and teamwork, patience, all this comes. Shall we do a short meditation? I think you have heard a lot from the morning. What do you say? Huh? Just a few minutes of deep breathing. If we cultivate as our, make it a habit in our life, I usually call it as a mental hygiene. Like you have dental hygiene, the mental hygiene is meditation. And in your companies, if you have, if you introduce, share a meal with a meditation every afternoon or once in a week even, it makes a whole lot of a difference. It makes a whole lot of a difference in your own setup. So in the afternoon, anyway people have meal, everyone sit together, have a meal together and relax for 20-30 minutes. Meditate. You will see you are so much more enthusiastic, you feel more energetic and more happier. So we have 11 minutes 40 seconds. So we'll do a short meditation if you all wish. What do you say? Yes. Everyone there? Okay. Now, meditation is not concentration. Tell me, how many of you think meditation is concentration? If you raise your hand. You will be disappointed. Meditation is not concentration. Concentration is an outcome or a result of meditation. So meditation is what? Simple relaxation. Just relax. When the body relaxes, mind expands. Our mind is like the flame and body is like a wig of a candle. The mind is the flame. The mind is like Jyoti, the body is like a batti. In Kannada we call batti, the wig of it. So when body relaxes, the mind expands. Similarly, when we breathe in, we energizes the incoming breath energizes the body, and outgoing breath brings relaxation. These are simple secrets that the breath holds in our life, but we have not paid much attention to it. So now let's sit straight. One request is you cannot get up in the middle of the meditation. Is it okay for you? Everybody there in the back? Otherwise we'll disturb everyone else. Huh? Okay, let's sit comfortably, easily. Sit straight as though you're just going to get up from the seat. Now, can you create a wow within you? Wow. Something amazing you created, then, or you found something amazing, how do you respond to that? Wow. Can you recollect how you feel when you feel wow within you? The ancient people have said, Vismayo Yoga Bhumika. The preface for yoga is astonishment. You should be astonished looking at this creation, looking at the varieties, looking at the dynamics, looking at all the secrets of knowledge here. That's the preface. Can you wake up? Can you recreate within you? Yeah? Wow? Wow. Now, with this feeling, I would like you to say a word. Let's take ah. Let's say ah. Now, how long can you say ah? Only as long as the breath is there, right? Now, mentally you can say ah without any connection to the breath. See how long can you say? It can go on forever. The mentally, when you make the sound ah, it's sound which is unending, and that will lead you into meditation. Let's close our eyes, sit straight, and mentally you are just saying ah. Now relax your body. Let's keep a smile on our face. Become aware of your whole body. Your body is a precious gift to you from nature. Let us honor our own body. Relax your legs, your arms, shoulders, your whole body. Let's take another deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in again. And as you breathe out, relax even more. Become aware of the air all around your body. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Our body has billions of cells. Honor your own body. There's enormous energy in each cell of our body. Our body is like the wick of a candle. The mind is like the glow all around it. This moment, whatever is, just let it be. If there is tension, just let it be. Another deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. As you smile, all the muscles in your face gets relaxed. Just be with whatever is this very moment. some tension, stress, let it be. Just for a moment, we have nothing to do, nothing to know either. Mentally, let's say, as though you are saying the word from your whole body. Let go all your efforts. This moment, the body is still, breath is feeble, the mind is with the unending sound in deep relaxation. Another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. And you may slowly and gradually open your eyes. May slowly, gradually open your eyes. Was it good? Huh? You see, you have ideas, you have technology, and NGOs like ours have a lot of human resource. The government is willing to bring this, and we can all put our, our resources together and really do what is needed. What do you think? Yeah? We have tremendous youth force with us. Lots of youths are there and are seeking some sort of, looking for something. And if you have such innovative idea, that would be very, very useful for the development of our society. So I just have 7 more seconds. So I hope you enjoy the meditation. It's a very short one, but we have to do 20 minutes. It'll be really good. Okay.